Well, I've worked with a few companies, and Paradox, the first one that actually gives me the rope where I can create opportunities with First Nations and take pride in that. Is how we approach First Nations, because when we show up with a blank piece of paper, okay, how do we work together? And how do we make the communities better?
For us, it's we want to allow them the opportunity to learn, to be educated, giving you the ability to go and find jobs elsewhere. So we want to do it because it's the right thing to do.
That's one of the things that kind of drew us to them is, their engagement within the communities, and not only that, to develop partnerships and relationships with companies that actually mean something,
So I'm very, very excited about the opportunities that are forthcoming for our nation with the partnership in Paradox.
We live in a saturated area of muskeg, and it's so soft, so much moisture here that we need something to help us with our roads besides asphalt.
We have some really bad roads that are soft, extremely soft, and nothing's seeming to work, and we have to go back every year, 2-3 times a year to fix them, or hopefully to make them better, and our maintenance will be way down.
We're not a company that comes in and say, okay, we're here, move over, we're going to take over, we'll employ some of your members. No, we're here to joint venture with you, to have a relationship with you, and build together.
We love going into communities where they can actually fix their own road system with most of their technology that they have. Anything else that's missing, we'll fill in where they need us to fill in.
The jobs come and go. So our goal is to train the members so they can hop onto whatever company comes on next.
I want to be able to empower our membership to be able to have that young fella who had the opportunity to help in creating that road.
For us to do our own work, it's a benefit to our community. It gets our people working. It improves, the lifestyle that our people have. People are going to be proud when they come 10, 20 years down the road, that road's still holding up, and say, hey, I built this.
I think it's very important for companies to be responsible for any kind of environment they're working in. You always hear that, right, when it comes to Aboriginals and the connection with Mother Earth.
Our technology reduces that impact that we have to remove, excavate into deep soil structures, as well as the geology of the earth, and then have to replace that as well as reclaim that. So we get to do all of that stuff without actually impacting the environment.
After this pilot project, we're hoping to use it on all the roads in Driftpile, better the community by fixing all these roads that normally we can't even drive down with cars.
A lot of the work that we're striving to do nowadays, the excitement part is, we're being able to introduce different things to our members. And that's huge. And that's the kind of partnerships that we're looking for.
Each community is different, each treaty area is different, and how we approach the First Nations we should be special, right? Not just like a checkbox. We've done this, we've done that.